Appreciate you for clicking on my video. So it's a Saturday and I'm heading to a staycation in Ochi Rios. So my first staycation for 2023, thank God. So all of us, my family and friends, we're going to a villa in Ochi and we're gonna have a ball for this weekend. So stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Like this video as well. From now, you can also drop a comment now and also subscribe if you haven't as yet. Appreciate you and I'll talk to you guys later.
1 time out of 10, 2 times won't you be mine? We just can't pretend. This love thing can take time. 3 times then I'm in. I heard through the grapevines you missing a playtime, girl. Your beauty make 'em bow down. I need that body right now, yeah. The love will never die down.
So we just reached the villa, so we're cooking up some burgers, and trust me, the view from my room, guys, from our room, I'm gonna show it to you. Let's go. Look at this view. Like, this is what you call an ocean front. This place is gorgeous. I'm claiming it, okay? Look at this. We're all claiming this life, guys. It is gorgeous. So yeah, we're gonna be here for a few days, so super excited about that. And yeah, so I'll see you guys. I'm just gonna head downstairs. The food should be ready, and I'll see you guys. We should be going by the pool actually. So when we get down there, then I'll speak to you guys later.
By your side, I'll be right here by your side forever. And no matter the ups and downs, I'll be right here by your side. I'll be right here by your side forever. Yeah. Your beauty make 'em bow down. I need that body right now. Yeah. The love will never die down. Together we can fly now. So baby, don't you ever be afraid of falling in love.
So basically, y'all, I am responsible for dinner tonight. So I'm cooking chicken and rice, the regular, nothing spectacular. So I'm gonna do baked chicken and rice. So yeah, we're gonna cook together, guys. Okay, we're gonna cook together in this nice, gorgeous villa. Let's look at the view again.
When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take.
Guys, you may not can see properly, but look at the moon. This is crazy. Do you see? Look at that. Look at that.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else.
End of day one. Today was just a chill day. As you guys saw earlier, cooked and all that. So we had dinner and we were chilling earlier. So now it's bedtime. Everyone is at bed now, but I'm still watching some TV. So I'm just gonna chill for the rest of the night until I'm ready for bed. But this is the end of day one. The villa is gorgeous. As you can see, it's a beachfront villa. Like, I need to own one of these, okay? I'm speaking it into being. Beachfront property is beautiful, it's gorgeous. Like, everything about this place is awesome. The sunrise is at what, 6:41? I hope I can catch it. I'm gonna set my alarm and hopefully I can catch the sunrise for tomorrow. If not, I don't know, but we'll see what happens. But again, I appreciate you guys for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 2.
Looking for someone to save me from all of the things in my past. I'd do anything just to make it stop, yeah. Tired of sitting and waiting, But every time I open up, there's always someone who lets me down. So give me pain, give me pleasure.
So when I got up this morning, it was actually raining. So that's a bummer. That is really a bummer. But it stopped, and at least we can go by the pool today, or we may go to the beach. I'm not sure what's the plan for today, but I'm all, you know, showered, all of that. Got dressed in my swim top and a shorts, as you guys saw. So yes, I'm not sure what's going on for today, but I'm just gonna go downstairs, have some breakfast, and yeah, we're gonna see what the day holds. Like when I got up this morning and went on the balcony, guys, the view, I can get used to this. I can get used to getting up, go on the balcony and watching the ocean. This is our last night here, so I'm probably gonna check the sunrise for tomorrow, Sunday morning. Hopefully I can get that, or we do get some sunrise for tomorrow. So I'm gonna see how that works out for me and my plan. But yeah, I'm just gonna chill today. You guys will see what we're up to for the rest of the day. But again, I'm in paradise, so I can just chill and lay back all day. But I'll see you guys later. Well, actually, when I go downstairs, I'll see you guys.
Someone to love, ease my mind, give me headache, I don't care, it's whatever. All I want is someone to love. La 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 la. All I want is la 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 la. La 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 la. All I want is la 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 la. It's someone to love. Yeah.
The first beach is called Marley Place. It's towards town Ochi Rios. Well, I think it's towards town St. Mary. We're in St. Mary now. The place is nice. They know it's $500 to come in for adults, and I don't remember the price for children, but it's quite small. But it's well maintained. They don't do food, nor do they have any bar here anymore. So you just have to just come here, probably bring your food and stuff if you like to chill. But I'm gonna show you guys the place.
Everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want it.
What's up, guys? So we are at what is called, oh my god, the Mahogany Beach. It's $500 for adults to come in, and kids, I don't remember the price for that. But as we walked in, we were greeted with chairs and all of that. It's a very nice vibe. As you guys saw earlier, we did some beach hopping because we couldn't figure out where to go, but we ended up here at Mahogany Beach, so it's a good vibe. And I'll see you guys later tonight.
Touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough.
We're heading to the pool.
I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me.
Whoa!
Your love, your love, your love, put your love on me. Your love, your love, your love, your love, your love,
for someone to save me from all of the things in my past. I'd do anything just to make it stop. Yeah, tired of sitting and waiting, but every time I open up, there's always someone who lets me down. So give me pain, give me pleasure. I don't.
Hey guys, what's going on? So just checking in and signing out for this vlog. Today we did a little bit of beach hopping because we couldn't, figure out which beach to go, but we ended up at Mahogany, it's called. As you guys saw, we had some food. The food was okay, and the exchange rate that we paid for $1 US to Jamaican is $150. That ain't bad because I thought it would have been like a 154, 155 type of vibe. So I was cool with paying the 150 exchange rate, so that was good. We had a nice vibe, so I should be in Ochi again soon, so I'll probably go to that beach, or I may end up at Puerto Rico. Not sure what's gonna happen yet, but this mini vacation, like, I needed it. So super glad I went on this vacation, had a little relaxation. We're leaving Ochi tomorrow morning, and then tomorrow is Monday, so all of us have work and all of that jazz, but we're heading up tomorrow early morning. I really hope you guys enjoy this vlog and all of that. Just comment down below, like up the video, give me a thumbs up, okay? Give me a thumbs up. But yeah, I'll see you guys in another video, and yeah, peace.